Hi, I'm Christina Hynes Mesco from the Prinz Law Firm. I wanted to take a moment with you to speak about how to effectively communicate a change in employment status with your employees, given that many of you will be doing so over the next few weeks, whether it's laying off or furloughing employees. So many times we found that in employment-related litigation, it's not so much what is said to the employee, but how it's said. So I want to remind you to be empathetic to your employee situation as we are all going through this crisis together. First, I would strongly recommend that you communicate a change in status personally, that you pick up the phone and communicate to that employee what his or her status will be, whether it's furloughing or layoff. I would generally recommend that you do so in person, but because of social distancing recommendations, that's just not possible right now in many cases. So be sure to have a personal touch, pick up the phone, let the employee know that he or she is valued, but at this time, business requirements dictate that he or she will need to be furloughed or laid off. Follow that up with something in writing that makes very clear the status of the relationship and then the expectations going forward. So if you're on furlough, make sure that you are not performing any work, for example. Secondly, be brief, don't be wordy, and be very clear. And certainly don't overpromise what may happen once things turn around, once the shelter-in-place orders are lifted. If you're uncertain whether you'll be able to hire a certain member of your workforce back, don't promise it. And finally, resist the urge to justify your actions, especially at this time. No one needs to hear that, oh, you were at the bottom of the performers in our sales force, so I chose you as the first to go in our layoffs. That's unnecessary. All you need to do is just say, unfortunately, the business is in a situation where we can no longer sustain our employment relationship due to business needs. And that's it. I hope you found this helpful. Please let us know if you have any further questions. As this is a dynamic situation, ever changing, please definitely reach out to your counsel to discuss these matters. Thanks.